So hello and welcome to this first video that I'm making on my personal introduction to Livegood. So I have joined Livegood on the recommendation of Eric Johnson. Eric Johnson is a Facebook friend of mine. I had contacted Eric Johnson about other business, and Eric Johnson had shared his business opportunity with me, and it really just seemed like a no-brainer. So I'm not giving up all the other things that I'm doing, and I'm doing quite a lot. I'm in insurance sales. I sell solar. I do a whole bunch of things. I have an Amazon business. But Live Good is really, really impressive because in the last couple of months, they have put up some really big numbers, and they have a lot of people, thousands and thousands of people are joining Live Good, and it really is a no-brainer. And what I really like is that all the things that I'm involved with, whether it's insurance or real estate or solar sales or a lot, for a lot of people, they simply can't get involved because it's not just how much the opportunity costs, but the expenses. I mean, leads. It's websites, it's autoresponders, it's tools, it's all these different things that you need to really effectively do the business. So with LiveGood, LiveGood solves all of that. I mean, they give you a website, they give you an autoresponder, they have the whole solution all in is right there. I've been involved with other types of network marketing companies that nutritional products and all that, and nutritional products are really big, especially right now. There's 10,000 people turning 65 every single day. I think that's the number that, because this is something from insurance. It's like, I sell Medicare, so Medicare is a really big industry, but you have to get licensed, contracted, appointed, and certified. So you got to do all kinds of jump through all kinds of hoops to sell insurance, and then you have to buy leads, and it's not an easy business, although it can be very profitable. But 10,000 people, a large number of people are turning 65 every single day, and we're seeing that a lot of people are becoming older, and we're seeing that the healthcare needs of people are going up. So it's really important to stay healthy. It's really important to take nutritional supplements and stay healthy and embrace a healthy lifestyle. And a lot of the food that we're eating, the food isn't nutritional as it used to be. So what I like about Live Good is Live Good offers very low cost products. I mean, when I say low cost, I'm not talking about products from other companies that are inflated so that they can pay out commissions, and I'm talking about stuff that's very comparable to the local grocery store. Like, you take a multivitamin, it's like $10. With Live Good, it's about $10 at the grocery store. The prices are very comparable. Live Good has a membership model, so just like Costco or Amazon Prime or other different memberships, Sam's Club, other different membership sites, you can get involved with being in Live Good for under $50 to start and under $10 every single month. And that's your costs. That's not just the cost to become a member, because like so many other things that I do, just buying into it is just the beginning. I mean, you have to buy leads, you have to buy tools, you have to do advertising, you have to do this and that, and you have to spend so much time. Look, it's really simple with Live Good. All you got to do is sign up and send people to your website that they provide, and they provide autoresponder, they provide the emails, they provide the training. All you have to do is just share this with other people. Is everybody going to be interested? No, everybody's not going to be interested. But I don't know of anything else out there And you feel free to put it in the comments section if you find something that's just as lucrative. But for 50 bucks, $50, you can't even get a dinner at a restaurant for two people at $50 these days. For $50, you can be in a business and all of those back end costs are covered for you, and you can be in a situation where you can earn thousands of dollars. Now, my sponsor in this program has already made thousands of dollars, and like I said, the program is new since December of last year is when they launched, and he's already made thousands and thousands of dollars. I think he's like the number two income earner in the whole company. But we can see that this is going to really take off. But the large numbers, six-figure income, seven-figure income, you might not see that with this particular opportunity. And I want to really caution you about that, because it's just like, look, I make money with Amazon, right? I have an Amazon business. I've been selling books on Amazon since 2016. I make a couple $100 at least every single month, on selling books on Amazon, right? But it wasn't easy to get there. I had to, I paid a lot of money. I had to go through the process and all that. But that system is, I continue to sell books on Amazon because I continue to make a small profit, right? It's just I just do the work. I find the profitable books. I use a tool that called Zen Arbitrage to find the books, and I send the books in to Amazon, and a certain percentage of them sell, and I make profit on selling used textbooks on Amazon. So with network marketing or sales or anything else that you do, all right, we all want the big numbers. We all want the Lamborghinis and the mansions and all that. But realistically speaking, if we just made a couple $100 a month, how life-changing would that be? For most people, that would be something else. And most people can't get involved with anything. They're broke. Most people right now, the situation in the country is dire, right? Inflation is just eating away at our lifestyle, and the ability to go out and do things, go out to a restaurant or be able to buy groceries, or even to to buy those supplements, right? To buy those health supplements, you need to have that. You need to take care of your health, because when you're healthy, you have 1,000 problems, but when you're unhealthy, you have just one, and that's to get healthy again. And you can't afford to not be healthy, right? $10 a month for some nutritional supplements is cheap insurance, in my opinion, to keep off. Now, is it foolproof? No, but I personally believe that taking care of your health and embracing a healthy lifestyle will really serve you very, very well. So, you know, 50 bucks a month, and they give you a replicated website. There's a force matrix. You just send people, I say, hey, check this out. I joined this. The guy that helped me get involved with this is already making thousands of dollars. He's a YouTube personality. He's got like 7,000 subscribers on YouTube. So he's doing really well, and he's making a video every day, and that's all you got to do. Right? And if you're working the 9 to 5 and you don't have any money, and you're like, I like to get involved, I like to do something, but maybe you can't get into the solar sales business because you got to buy leads, and solar sale leads cost money. Maybe you can't get involved in insurance because you got to get licensed, you got to get contracted, you got to buy those leads. Maybe you can't do Amazon because Amazon is harder to join these days. Most cases you got to have liability insurance, and most cases you got to have money to buy the books and the tools and all the other stuff that goes along with it. YouTube, if you're going to be a YouTube person, you got to have, it takes time and effort, and it takes months and months. The guy who I'm learning YouTube from says that he made videos every single day and didn't see $1 one single dollar for 6 months. And he's like, you got to put in the work. You got to do it. And then the rewards come much, much later. But for a lot of people, they just can't do it. They're like really in that grind. So what I really like about Live Good is that this is the answer for many, many people. It's like the answer is not to make the six-figure and the seven-figure income for many people. The answer is just give me some a couple $100 every month. Just generate a couple $100 in extra money so that I can take better care of my family. I can buy nutritional foods. I can go to a restaurant. I can go to a ball game. I don't have to like obsess and worry. And that it could be a lifesaver having that extra money. I'm telling you, I think that you've got to do something. If you don't do this, you've got to do something, right? So what is it? If you're not going to do this, because those other programs, I'm here to tell you, I speak from experience. I've hemorrhaged thousands and thousands of dollars. You won't do that with Live Good. You just won't. You just won't lose that kind of money. I mean, your maximum liability really is $50. $50. And with Live Good, there's no auto ships. There's no auto ships. There's no production requirements. There's no like, hey, you got to buy a garage full of stuff you're never going to use. It doesn't work like that. It's like this is just a straight up. The requirement is, just maintain a membership. It's $10 a month to be a member, and with that, you get the member prices, which is the comparable prices to what you're buying at the grocery store. You're getting really good, high quality products. They have nutritional supplements. They have organic coffee. They have CBD oil. They have all kinds of different products that are good, that you'll want to try, and they're economical and they're not inflated so that they can cover the costs of commissions for a whole bunch of people above you. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work anything like that. You can even get started with Live Good as a pre-enrollee. You go to my website. My website is jefforlando.com. That's a forwarding URL to my Live Good website. You go to my Live Good website, you sign up as a pre-enrollee, and every Thursday, you have till Thursday of every week to sign up as a paid member. But you can see the people coming in underneath you and say, this is what potentially the people underneath you. So we all help. We're all helping each other. That's what I do like about matrices. You can help. Like the goal should really be to. I've been years ago. I was in a matrix program. You find three is what they said. It doesn't work exactly like this with Live Good, but you help three people and you help them get their three. And then you're building a team, you're building an organization many, many levels deep, and it can really take off. And like I said, the most important thing from this video that I'd like you to take away from is that it's always about the back end costs. It's always about the costs: websites, autoresponders, leads, software, phone calls, things like that. And then your time commitment. How much time do you have to devote to this? How much research and study do you have to get involved with? Because let me tell you something. I mean, I used to work, I'm retired military, retired State Department. When I was my last traditional job, working between 8 and 12 hours a day. And when I come home at night, my energy level just wasn't there, to go out and let's go rah, rah, let's go do this. It's gotta be simple. This is as simple gets. It's simple, it's basic, it's easy, it's cheap, and it works. So give it I would just say go to the website, take a look for yourself, get involved as a pre-enrollee, and sign up and try and get some of those nutritional products. If you don't buy them from Live Good, then buy them from someplace else, but do buy them. I am like in a process where I'm like going through and becoming a wellness coach. That's something separate from Live Good. That's something I've been doing. I've been embracing a healthy lifestyle myself. I've lost almost 20 pounds, 19 pounds, almost 20 pounds, almost reached that 20-pound mark. But I'm really taking good care of myself because I have people depending on me to be here and to continue to take care of things and put food on the table and take care of business. That's my job. That's my real job. So I hope this helps. And this is going to be the first of a video that I'm going to make every single day. So if you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe, hit me up on Facebook, on Instagram, on all those channels I'm a part of. And I look forward to seeing you soon. I want to see you at least, signing up as a pre-enrollee with Livegood. So thanks for watching. Hope to talk to you soon, and I'll keep you informed about my success with Livegood. Thanks.